Ever pondered the question, can an adult brain really not produce new neurons? It's a myth that has intrigued and perhaps even misled many for over a century. The roots of this myth can be attributed to Santiago Ramón y Cajal, often referred to as the father of the neuron doctrine. In his book, Degeneration and Regeneration of the Nervous System, published in 1913, Cajal stated that the adult brain is incapable of birthing new neurons. He questioned the possibility of integrating new neurons into already well-established networks. This claim, that everything may die and nothing may be regenerated, endured for years, withstanding even the wave of contrary evidence that surfaced. But why is this myth incorrect? It is factual that neurons do not replicate through cell division due to the absence of the required molecular machinery. However, a groundbreaking discovery was made in the 1960s by Joseph Altman. Altman found evidence of neurogenesis, the creation of new neurons, in postnatal guinea pigs. This was particularly intriguing, as these creatures are born with almost adult-sized brains. His findings pointed towards the hippocampus, a brain structure associated with memory. As is often the case with revolutionary insights that contradict the dominant narrative, Altman's findings were largely overlooked. Yet, the tide began to turn in the 1980s. Neurogenesis was discovered in the brains of songbirds by Fernando Nottebohm and his team. By the late 90s, it was established that adult neurogenesis occurred in two significant brain areas, the hippocampus and the olfactory bulb. Multiple studies showed a relationship between neurogenesis in the hippocampus and the formation of new memories. Today, the exploration of the functions of neurogenesis is ongoing. One fascinating discovery is the impact of chronic stress, a major contributor to depression, on neurogenesis in the hippocampus. Chronic stress inhibits neurogenesis, while antidepressant drugs are found to increase it. In summary, the long-standing myth that adult brains cannot produce new neurons has been debunked by a series of scientific discoveries over the past century. From Altman's overlooked findings in the 1960s to the ongoing research into the role of neurogenesis in memory formation and mental health, we've learned that the adult brain is far more capable of change and adaptation than once believed.